Hey guys, got this the Hokkaido natto at the grocery store. So looks small, and each container is about 35 calories. It's not too bad. So let's start. Try to open this package. Let's see. It's gonna hard to find where to open this package. It's okay. Here we go. Second with some natto sauce, and this is a Japanese mustard. And you should pull this wrapping paper on it. Looks like the beans is a little bigger. Okay, start with this mustard. Okay. Stir it. And pour the sauce. And stir it one more time. So what I'm gonna use today is this is already preheated the sweet potato. I slice it up. So what I'll do is pour this. I guess the other way, probably the cup is too small. So what I'll do is pour this natto. And mix with guess this is the final piece. Natto with sweet potatoes. Sounds interesting. Yummy. Side note for this natto is this manufacturer's natto is required to stir compared to other natto I try. When you try stirring, you feel like the natto or maybe the thickness is much harder. So when you pour this is a Japanese mustard, it doesn't make any difference. But after you pour the natto sauce on, then I guess the thickness will be just softened. So it's much easier to stir with chopsticks. But in the end, when you finish cooking, when you throw away the container, be sure to rinse well. Not only if you pour the hot water, it won't go away. So you have to use your finger or maybe scrubber to make sure clean up. Otherwise, it will smell ugly. That's gonna if you have a family member, you're gonna get the complaint. So be sure to clean up well. This is my comment for today.